In this video, we're going to learn how to create an email signature in Gmail. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So an email signature goes at the bottom, or it's going to appear at the bottom of every email that you send. And it's the perfect opportunity for you to brand every message that you send to others. An email signature can consist of pretty much anything that you want. Most of the time it's going to be contact information. But as a student, typically teachers want to see the name of the school, the grade level that you're in, all of the classes that you take, and your email. So that is what we're going to be demonstrating today. You can also have multiple email signatures, and the way that you access those various email signatures is by choosing this pen tool here at the bottom, and you're going to see the email signatures that you have, and you can also name these signatures. So let's take a look at how to create an email signature. So I'm signed into one of my Gmail accounts, and the first thing you want to do is you want to go up to the settings gear in the top right corner, and then you want to select see all settings. All right, we're going to scroll all the way down. And by the way, you can change your picture here as well if you want to change your Google profile picture. But here next to signature is where you're going to create your signature, okay? Now, here is my sample signature that I showed you guys before. So we're just going to recreate this one. And the way that you do that is you want to click on Create New. You want to name it. In this case, we're just going to call this sample 2. And we're going to click create. Remember, I told you you can have multiple signatures and you want to name them according to whatever you want. All right, so I'm going to just copy and paste my signature that I had before, but you guys can type your name or whatever information that you want right here. You're going to type it into the text box. Now, let's say I wanted to add a picture. Remember on the sample, there was a picture of a panther. We're going to add that right now. So in order to do that, you will need to go to Google, search for your school's mascot or whatever it is that you want. You're going to right click and save image as, and of course you want to save it to your computer. So in this case, I'm going to save it to my desktop. And then I'm going to jump back over here to my email signature, and I'm going to select insert image. So click that, and then we're going to select upload, and then select a file from your device because we saved it to our computer, and now we can go ahead and add it. Now I will say that it is very possible that this image will appear extremely large when it pops up on your signature. So look how large this is. To fix that, we want to click on it and we want to select small or maybe medium depending on what you want. And there we have our email signature. You do need to scroll down and click Save Changes. Now to access your email signatures, you're going to select Compose, and then you're going to get your new message compose box that pops up here, and then you're able to click the little pen icon, insert signature if you want to change your signature. If not, you should see the signature right here appear. So now you're ready to send an email by typing in the recipient's email address, the subject, and the message. If you found this content helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time edtech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.